Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about s equal to u to the power of 3, because if I put this one gone here, we can cancel about the cubic root. Next, we need to do first the derivative for the both sides, and we have 3u squared du. So this one I will put in here. The s we change by this one. This one we change by u. So I will put this one gone here. Next, we need to use about integration by parts. So I will put about t equal to 3u squared. Later that, we need to do first the derivative for the both sides, and we got about dt equal to 6u du. First derivative of u squared, we have 2u, number 3 and number 2, we have number 6. dv, we have e to the power of u du. The integration of this one, we have v equals to e to the power of u. Next, we have t multiplied by v minus, we have dt multiplied by v, so we have the integration 6u e to the power of u du. Next, we need to use about integration by parts. This one we change by u, and this one we have du. So we have t multiplied by v, so we have u e to the power of u minus, we have dt multiplied by v, so we have the integration e to the power of u du. So the integration of this one, we have e to the power of u, and then I will put about c. About u, that is about this one. So we put the cubic root for the both sides, and we have the cubic root of s equals to u. And now we need to change u into this one. I'm missing about number 6 in here. And this is the final answer. This is the end.